What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rustomod. This weekend we're hitting up Run to the Sun, we're going to Rats at the Beaver, and we're going to C10s After Dark. Quick little weekend trip, so we're hitting the road, making our way down there, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride and see what we can see down there. Pretty excited. Once again, we're driving the C60, all reliable. We'll see how it does on the road and show it off at these shows. So let's hit the road. All right, what's going on, guys? We have made it down here to South Carolina, and it's bright and early in the morning. It's freezing cold, but we are in line for the Rats at the Beaver show. Super excited for this show. I've always wanted to come here and see some of these awesome rat rods. It's really cool. There's already cars lined up. We got here at 7 o'clock this morning, and the line is all the way down behind me. There's so many people here. It's really cool. So we're in the C60 right there. We're gonna hopefully get in the gate because there's so many people here and show you guys this awesome show. I've always wanted to come to this show. It's gonna be a great time. Then tomorrow we have the C10s After Dark show that's going on here as well. So we'll be back here tomorrow for that and show you guys all of that as well. But today I'm super excited because there's gonna be a lot of variety of really awesome builds here. We're around the block, guys, and there are already this many cars as far as I can see all the way down there, and that's not even counting all the cars that are around this whole thing. There's so many people here already, so I really hope we get a good spot. There's no square bodies, no Camaros, no Chevelles, nothing like that. Just different unique stuff that guys are building in their garage, and that's what I like, you know. There are some awesome Patina hot rods like this, and then you got some custom rat rods and stuff. So I love this stuff, man. This is what's up. Look at that cool Galaxy right there with the convertible. They say they can only fit like 300 cars, so I hope we get in there. But man, I don't know if they're expecting this many people already, but it looks like it's gonna be a good time. All right, guys, we're parked up at Rats at the Beaver, so let's show you guys these awesome rat rods. It looks like there's an awesome variety of hot rods here, so let's check them out. All right, guys, well, we're heading out from Rats at the Beaver. We left a little early because it's daylight and we want to kind of cruise around and see some of the rest of this show. We haven't even been to the main part of Run to the Sun yet, so maybe we'll swing by there real quick or just see what we can see. But tomorrow we'll be back in the same spot because we have the C10s After Dark show. So we'll be back here and we can show you guys all of those hot rods tomorrow as well. So let's see what we can see around here. If not, we'll see you tomorrow. Look at how many people there are. That's insane. Yeah, there's a lot of people. So we'll see if we can get in there. I didn't get tickets to get in there, like to park in there, but we can walk through, I think. But that is a lot of people. We made it into the main event at Run to the Sun. We're gonna check out some of this stuff. A lot of the guys are heading out, but we're gonna see what we can see. I really primarily came down here for the Rats at the Beaver show because everybody told me that I need to go to that. There is a lot of cool stuff here. There's like an overwhelming amount of cars here. It's kind of crazy. So I'll show you what we can see, and then tomorrow, see some C10s. My dad, who built the Willys wagon, loves power wagons, and especially ones with the crew cab. He really wants to build one. He actually bought 2 power wagon cabs to make a crew cab one. We haven't done it yet, so comment below if you guys want to see us build a power wagon. But this one's super cool, crew cab, and it looks like it's got a Cummins in it. They seem to all have Cummins diesels in it, but that is super cool, and that's what he wants to build. All right, well, we got to see a little bit of the main show, Run to the Sun. Looked like there was a ton of people there. I'm glad we got to stop by and check that out. So we're gonna head back, and then tomorrow morning we're heading to C10s After Dark, hang out with the guys there, and that should be it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for C10 show. All right, we are heading to C10s After Dark, which ironically is kind of in the middle of the morning. So we're gonna be able to get in early. My buddy Kyle Fannin from C10 Club Maryland is putting this show on with Matt Cooper from C10 Club South Carolina. So we're able to actually get in early so we can get some footage for you guys who couldn't make it to the show. So let's head up there and see what we can see. Really excited for today. This is my first time going to both of these shows, Rats at the Beaver and the C10s After Dark. So I'm excited to see what this is all about. It's at the same place, the Beaver Bar in Merle's Inlet. So should be a good time. Let's get it. We got in a little early, but since we have some time before the show, I want to go through and film all the guys in line waiting to get in. So it should be a ton of guys already in line here. Yesterday, you remember at Rats at the Beaver, there was guys all the way around the corner. So we're gonna see who's in line today and check out these hot rods before they get in here. So the guys are lined up for the show over there. There's some cars parked out here, awesome utility bed. And look at the wagon with the, we call that a rag top in the V-dub world. That's cool. I think I saw this yesterday. That is really cool. I really like that boy he did the bed. That's really neat. It looks like he's still gonna put some panels on here. Man, that's cool. pretty cool. It's like completely on an S10. Still got the S10 engine. And then the whole interior is an S10. But it's pretty clean. You wouldn't know it with the hood shut. That's cool. All right, guys, well, we've successfully made it back home in the C60. This thing has done really good. That was about a little over 800-mile round trip with all the running around we've done, going back to the shows and everything else. This truck is awesome, very reliable, and I'm really happy we ended up making it down. This truck has been super awesome, and I'm really happy we were able to show it off at Rats at the Beaver, C10s After Dark, and Run to the Sun. It has been an awesome time this weekend. I hope you guys like our little car show adventure we had, and we are now back at home and we have to get to work on all these projects. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe so you can stay up to date with the C60 and the rest of the other builds that we're doing here on Rustomod. We will see you guys in the next one.